It was easier to do that here than bring them.
Project that we're looking at today, using drones to help map out the village, and then coming together with the village to look at that map and see what are the problems that exist, what do we have that we can deal with it, and what can we do right now, is very important. And it's this combination of technology and community mobilization which is really important.
As Longwe, the outbreak was confirmed on 2nd January 2018. Cumulatively, we have 49 cases. Out of these 49 cases, 17 are confirmed cases.